we can be the best people in the world. Amen? Because we produce the Bob Marley, we produce Usain Bolt, we produce Daddy U-Roy. Give them a round of applause, everybody! Yes, indeed. I tell you something. You know, somebody called and a radio station just the other day. Yeah? And listen to this. So they called because we just went through what we called the oldies. Yeah? So the man called the radio station and said, I wanted to hear a song by the Drifters. I said, what's the name of the song? He said, the song's called Wednesday Night. He says, I know what song you mean. It must be that song called Saturday Night at the Movies. He says, no, it's Wednesday night. So he says, Wednesday night, sing a part of the song for me now. The man said, Wednesday night has come and the land is dark. Yeah! God is good. Yes. But I just want to, you know, in Jamaica, I'm coming from Jamaica up here, and you know, this is a wonderful, wonderful audience, and we just want everyone to just keep their cool, because we are all one people. Amen? Right, Marcia? Bless the Lord. Huh?
Yeah, we just let
automation, the God, the King, He named Jehovah. He inspired me to be the mic chanter. Me mass with a mic and an amplifier. Yes, indeed. Huh? I'm going to find out. Yes. What's the time? Yes.
From Fort Clarence, may I say it? Come on. After I'm
Can we not go on stage?
That's the problem.
Yeah, he may not come.